look at this. This is giving some NOLA vibes here. French Quarter. Vive la France. There's no stop signs here. Bruh, you gotta stop. Interesting city. Interesting city indeed. Whoa, cool. Alright, I gotta get the drone out here. We gotta get some footage. Two Jaguars? Two Jaguars? What's that thing called? Fleur de Lis? Where's the cafe? There it is! Hold on. I want to stop by that in a minute. Cafe du Monde. Apparently that's a spot for beignets. Line doesn't look too big either. I'm about to get one of those for breakfast. Well, there's a big park here. I don't know what this... Oh, that looks nice. It's a nice place. It is. Look at this little donkey. He wants to mate with me. He likes the exhaust. Look how much powdered sugar they put on there. They give you a whole bag full of powdered sugar in the bottom. What the fuck is this shit? God, you make me drive over to some bullshit. Yikes! 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 Is this Bourbon Street? Let's see. It's just a whole bunch of debauchery going on here. This street looks like it sucks. Cybertruck guy. Sights and sounds. Smells like alcohol. Look at this spot here. Cornets. Cornelius Fudge. Starting the day drinking. What's that building? What is this bullshit? I don't appreciate these fucking bumps. Ugh. Do not appreciate those meridians. This end is nice and toned down. Interesting street. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna have to get back to that later tonight.